So let's talk about Terra Luna and the state of the crypto right now, whether or not it's going to continue to go up or what is going to be happening with it. We're going to be talking about all of that in today's video. So make sure you guys watch until the end and also leave a like and subscribe if you guys are interested in watching more of our Terra Luna content. Terra Luna Classic, that is. But anyways, today we are going to be talking about Terra Classic, which is up 4%. That's up more than 4.5% more than Bitcoin and 4.5% more than Ethereum as well. They're currently ranked number 217 in the world with a $400 million market cap, and the volume is currently sitting at about 120 million, which is down 5% over the past 24 hours. Now, if we take a look at the historical data, you can see here the volume is currently sitting at about 126 million yesterday. It's now at 121 million today. Before, we were staying pretty firmly above that 150 million dollars per day volume. It looks like now we're going to be sitting at about around the 120 million dollar volume. So that's pretty much what we're looking at in terms of how much we're doing. Now, with that amount of volume, we're still going to be able to see swings in about the 15 to 20% area, so we can definitely see some pretty good gains over the next couple of days if the buying pressure continues. But yeah, that's pretty much what we're looking at in terms of the price of Terra. We're going to be going over our price predictions at the end, as well as technical analysis at the end of this video. But before we do that, let's get into the news for today. But I do want to mention really quickly that you can actually get a free stock with the first link in the description when you get signed up with public.com. Now, public.com is basically a social investing app where you can see what your favorite investors are investing in, and also when you deposit $1 on the app, you're going to get up to $300 worth of free stock. So you might as well get signed up to public.com with that first link in the description. But anyways, today we are going to be talking about some news on Terra Luna Classic. So first off, Terra Classic holders increase 500% in a month as investors bet on LunC recovery. So yeah, following the failure of Luna and its subsequent relaunch at 2.0, the platform's original chain, which is currently operating under Terra Classic or LunC, is garnering an incredible amount of attention among crypto traders. So yeah, it looks like there was about 106,000 holders compared to 10,266 holders on June 5th, reflecting an increase of 525% in just under a month in terms of holders. So the holders went up 500% in the last month alone. But yeah, I mean, I just wanted to kind of note that. I went over this a little bit more in depth in the earlier video today, so go ahead and watch that if you're interested. But anyways, I also want to bring up the burn. New Terra Classic LunC proposal to burn 35% of transaction fees, and that gains about 93% support. So I just want to bring this up just so if you haven't been watching our videos, then you would know. Basically, there are two burn proposals on the table. One of the burn proposals is to burn 1.2% of all LunC transactions, and that had already been passed with 83% support from the Terra community. And basically what that says is that on every single buy and sell of Terra Classic or LunC, that will burn about 1.2% of the total transaction, and then until the supply of the token drops to 10 billion, in which case there would be no more burning and the supply would never be changed again. But the new burn proposal is targeted at distributing 50% of LunC transaction fees. So this is a bit different. A lot of people think this means that Terra Classic wants to burn 50% of each transaction. No, it's just the fees on the original chain. So yeah, 35% would be burned, 10% airdrop to developers, and 5% to Terra Classic development to help Terra Classic be a better crypto, basically. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much what it is. And I do want to mention that this new burn proposal is very separate. So this 50% of fees is only on chain, while the 1.2% is also with exchanges. So say you buy something on Binance, then 1.2% of your transaction would be burned. So yeah, that's pretty much how that is working. But let's go over this last thing. Terra founder Dokwan allegedly voted on his own proposal using one of his secret wallets. So we are talking about Lunc now, and apparently this is some new news according to Dokwan. The founder of CEO of Terraform Labs has faced multiple allegations of foul play regarding the collapse of Terra Lunc cryptocurrency and Terra USD or USTC stablecoin. I believe it's UST. Allegations have ranged from siphoning 8 million monthly, it's actually 80 million monthly, to withdrawing 2.7 billion from the Terra ecosystem via degen box. But Fatman Terra basically said that he caught him red-handed. The mystery wallet, by the way, this is all alleged, with a 20 million Luna airdrop that was voting on Do's own proposal delegating to North Star, it is officially confirmed that it belongs to Do Kwon himself. And basically what this said, or what this meant, was that this was a tweet thread that outlines the allegations with links to the Columbus 5 proposal. And Fatman went on to say that Do Kwon used the same secret wallet to send in a proposal titled Columbus 5, Mainnet Upgrade and Recommendations in the month of August 2021, so very long ago. Fatman shared one of the proposals to provide further evidence that Do Kwon used the wallet to vote on specific proposals. The wallet was used to vote multiple times to ensure the proposals were successful. As Fatman pointed out, the wallet in question was Kwon's second choice wallet for casting votes on proposals. So basically, he's trying to say that Terra Luna had people voting. However, he had such a big wallet that had so much voting power that he was basically making the votes himself. But this is all alleged, I do want to mention. Fatman then finished off the thread by pointing out the Terraform Labs claimed they wouldn't vote on proposals or take advantage of the inside information. However, if this is true and this is his wallet, that just simply isn't true. Fatman Terra says they told you Terraform Labs didn't vote, they told you TFL didn't get the drop, but you'll notice every tiny thing they do is to extract more money out of the community through wordplay and manipulation. He doesn't care about you. You're an instrument to him, and you always were. Those were Fatman Terra's words, not mine. Just want to make that known. But yeah, that's pretty much all the news coming out of Terra Classic today. I do want to mention that we do have a free section of our private Discord now. You guys can join with the second link in the description. We're going to be putting out some free alerts as well as for stock options, as well as free alerts for crypto. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and get signed up with the second link in the description. But anyways, final thing that we're going to be going over in this video is going to be to technical analysis, and we've actually had a very good day today in terms of the price for Terra Classic. So we had a very big increase with the rest of the crypto market doing well also, and now we're seeing a bit of a bull flag here. So if we do break out, which it looks like we may be breaking out here, then we can see an upside today all the way to about the 68 level, which from these levels would be about 15% gain. So there's definitely a 15% upside here. We're trending up on the MACD. The RSI is only at 57. We could definitely see an increase to about the 68 in the next day when you see this video. So let's hope. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you guys get your free stock with the first link in the description. Get signed up to our free section of our private Discord with the second link in the description. Make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe. That's going to be it. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.